download and install VS Code on Windows 10. So as you can see, I've already installed it, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can also get it. So from Google, simply come here and then come and type this, that is code.visualstudio.com/download, or just the download, and then hit enter. It's going to bring you right here, and then come and select the official Visual Studio Code by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the website. Okay, that is where you can get the download. Okay, so from here you see that we have it for Windows 10 and then 11. It is the same setup that you are going to use to install. All that you have to do to download it is to simply come here and then come and click on the Windows 10 and then 11. And then when you click on it, you will see that it is going to download. Okay, so as you can see, it is downloading and it has finished downloading. All that you have to do now is simply come here and then come and then open the setup. Okay, by clicking on the opened, and then the setup is going to open and you have to install it. The first thing that you have to do is simply come and then check the circle to agree to their terms. Okay, and after that, simply come and then come and click on the next, and then click on the next again, and then the next, and then the next, and then finally come and click on the install, and then come and click on the finish. So after that, you will see that it is going to open, and that is it. You have finally successfully installed the VS Code, and then you can use it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.